Let's begin by introducing the components of MOS Echo. MOS Echo comes with main unit, MOS panel, water spray bottle, and a dedicated power adapter. To start using MOS Echo, simply connect the power adapter to the main unit. Use the included frame to mount the MOS panel on the front of MOS Echo. Press the first button to cycle through 3 different modes. The available modes are sleep, meditation, and clock. To enter sleep mode, press the mode button once, then press the select button to confirm. To enter meditation mode, press the mode button twice, then press the select button to confirm. To enter clock mode, press the mode button 3 times, then press the select button to confirm. Press the lighting button once to turn on and off the bottom mood light. MOS Echo provides 3 adjustable functions: skin, brightness, and volume. Adjust the brightness using the left and right buttons. To adjust the volume, press the left or right button, as in the previous step. Install the dedicated MOS Echo app. Open the app, create an account, and link it with your MOS Echo device. Choose your preferred clock design. Create a playlist of nature images. Playlist repeat is supported. Choose your content and set a fade-out time. During the set time, sound and display gradually decrease to help you fall asleep. Relieve stress with meditation content that fits the moment. Focus on your breath and gently release tension. Set a fade-in time that suits your morning. You can set up to 5 alarms. Over that period, brightness and sound gradually increase to wake you gently. Set the display content for the gentle mood lighting. Open Bluetooth on your phone and connect to MOS Echo. When music is playing, the equalizer screen appears. To keep the MOS healthy and fresh, spray it with water once or twice a day.